Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions integrated campus, Hyderabad, estimation, quantity, surveying, and valuation. I'm Dr. E. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. Earthwork for roads and canals. I explained how to calculate area and volume of the trapezium section. There are many formulas here. Mean sectional area, mid sectional area, prismatic area are very important in our unit. The section and mean sectional area methods for calculating earthwork here. See, one important thing is here, the mid sectional area method, we will have average height of two depths. The depths may be different, may not be uniform. If you see, B is uniform width always. Slope is also uniform, and but D1, D2 are vary along the your length. Now, just I will draw here. Suppose this is a again we have a trapezium like this, right? See, this height here, this height is, say, D1. D1. D1, right? Say, and other end, see here, other end may be like this here, maybe somewhere else here, other end will be like this, okay? Here, if you observe, the height may be different. The height may be different here. See, if you have like this and connected like this, see here, if you move like this, say suppose this is the line of different trapezoidum. Here is D2, right? D2. So these difference D1 plus D2 by 2, here you have to take care of this one, D1 plus D2, right? See here by 2. You will get average of these two. So here you have to See here, here, so D1 plus D2 by 2. In this way, we have to calculate average, this mean height, dm. Then how to calculate mid-sectional area? Mid-sectional area equal to this of, this is as discussed, explained. So BDM plus 2, not 2, this is SD m square. See, quantity of earthwork is BDM SDM square. So this is, you have to remember this formula. This formula is very important. This is very important formula. BDM plus SDM. Okay. So to calculate quantity of volume, BDM, DM equal to D1 by D2 average. Okay. Here into L you will get quantity. So this is the table you are having where these stations, G1, 2, 3 stations, D1, D2, depth, D1 minus D2 will get depth, or D1 plus D2 by 2. Central BD, sides area SD square, if you add this total section area, BD SD square, and length between two stations, generally 30, chain width 30 meters or 20 meters. The quantity you have to calculate this embankment, banking or cutting. In this table you have to tabulate and you have to calculate the quantity of earth work. Okay, see, that is mid section. Mid section means we have to calculate D1 plus D2 by 2 average. This mid section, mean section means we have to calculate front area portion and edges area. Then we will take average of these two. See, front and edge. See here, here you see here, I will show this diagram. See, suppose here is again have to take from here. Say this is one trapezoidal, okay, right? Say this is B, same for both. You can have one is here. Here same width, okay, and the height may be different. Height may be different here, right? This is for at section 2. So this area you have to take care. So this is the area of other section and area of one section. This you have to calculate. I will explain in the this figure. Say this one, this area at one edge, this area two edge. So average, this area you have to calculate, this area you have to calculate. Average of these two is known as mean sectional area. In mean sectional area, we have to calculate area of the first chain, first station, and area at the end is A2. If you take mean section area A1 plus A2 by 2, you calculate quantity, and that is Q equal to A1 plus A2 by 2 into L is quantity by mean sectional area. See, this again, this is tabulated form: station, height or depth, area of central portion BD, area of sides SD square, total section area BD plus SD square. S is slope, D is depth, B is width of your canal or formation width of road. This is mean sectional area. CA1 plus A2 by 2, length between station. So quantity you will get this BD SD square into L, that is banking or cutting. In this way you will have to calculate the area. This is the, say for example, for mean section, mid section, mean section and mid section. See, mean sectional area means mean area, average area of 2. That is first area of your trapezium section and other area mean section. Mid section means this D1, this D2, average D2. You have to substitute these values BD plus SD square. That is D equal to here D1 plus D2 by 2. That is, we have derived that DM equal to D1 plus D2 by 2. So in that way, we have to calculate mean sectional area method and mid area sectional. These are very important. If you observe, this is a trapezoidal, this is road or canal. Canal is reverse. Okay. See here we have some more formulas related to calculate quantity of the earthwork, and I will explain this in the next class. Thank you.